We've got a day ahead of us. I gotta go out and look at the greenhouse, make sure the greenhouse is okay, check the pump house, check my fish. And then I gotta work on trying to get this car down the hill. Well, the greenhouse with our 3 inches of snow, you can see our snow here. The greenhouse, if I can even open this door. The greenhouse is holding all that snow up. It's nice and dry in here. I did put this cover over the top. Need to cover this down. Hey, you can see the snow. The banana seems to be unaffected so far. Fan is blowing. Just gonna tip it up. It's one thing that's nice about the polycarbonate. It's nice and sturdy. No issues. I want to take this snow off of here so that it gets the light coming through. And the pump house. Look at this, I'm gonna break this one off. That's the carrot I was trying to grow a carrot this long. This thing is 3 feet long. Let's see how we're doing. Oh, look at this. They're doing all right. I come out here every day and I spray these cuttings down. These are the begonias I did the other day. Overnight it was 11 degrees and we're at 50 degrees. My readout is 20 and a half degrees Celsius. What is that? 20, 40, 70, 71, 72, 73, something like that. It's nice in here compared to outside. Okay, time to get on that tractor. Well, I got the car down to the bottom of the hill, sitting here with this road. Still a sheet of ice. So I'm gonna try and get to town. Now, let's see if I can't get up this hill. Oh, here we go. Oh, yeah. Boy, that salt really helps. Come on, baby. No salt now. Hard part. Home again, home again. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that little bout with the snow. Greenhouse is holding up just fine. The pump house is still sitting at 60 degrees, 50 to 60 degrees, and it's 22 degrees. A couple more days and this stuff will be gone. Cross our fingers. Thanks for watching. Let's see.